Give him back now. Give him back.
Did you take Daddy's truck? Did you take my truck? Are you driving Daddy's truck? Are you driving Daddy's truck? Are you driving my daddy's truck? You driving Daddy's truck? Are you driving Daddy's truck? You driving Daddy's truck? You driving my truck? Are you driving my truck? Did you steal Daddy's truck? Oh.
You done? Okay, let's try this. Skylar really likes her sippy with water. This is what happens when we take it. Okay. Skylar. We gotta try to eat some food. Not just water. Here we go. Skylar. Okay, we'll find the off button. Oh, boy.
Do you love the baby? You want to give her a kiss? Oh, was that her? Oh. The baby. You want to give a kiss on the head? Yeah. Oh.
Three, two, one.
Anyone can make you smile, but only certain people can make you happy. There's a difference. Okay? Okay.
It's okay. It's okay. Ray's just talking. It's alright. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Look, I can't even eat my own food. Yummy. Is that good? It's mommy's, not yours.
Who is it?
Bubble butt. Bubble butt. Do you have Do you have? Do you? Do you have a bubble butt? Do ya? Do ya? Do ya?
Yeah. Avery, can you pet Jonah?
Wow!
Wow.
Wow! This was so wow!
Oh my goodness. You love him? Do you love him?
Oh, wow!
Give him a, can you give him a hug?
Oh,
Hey, give him a, Avery, give him a hug. There's a bok bok, yeah. Can you give him a hug? Give him a hug. Oh, you see the chickens?
Be careful, Avery. Don't slide down.
Oh, boy. Oh my god. Puppy, you haven't even gotten in the water yet. Ready? That's a mushroom. That's a mushroom. Ready? Oh my god, look, the bee. Okay, okay, okay. Ready? Okay, ready? Ready? She's gonna get you. She's gonna get you. Okay. Come on, Mama, have this to brush Sissy's hair. Oh, here. Here, okay. Can I have that to brush Sissy's hair? Okay, here. Ew. Can I brush Sissy's hair?
Yeah.